Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many of us face when switching to a new iPhone. Have you ever transferred to a new iPhone using the Auto Detect feature, only to find yourself having to log back into all your apps and set up Face ID again? It's like starting from scratch, right? Well, in technical terms, this is because the authentication tokens need to be uniquely generated for each device, making it impossible for a seamless transition. Now, the solution to this problem lies in the unique hardware identifiers that are tied to each device. Every iPhone has a UUID and a MAC address that are used in the authentication process. Since these values are unique to each device, new authentication tokens need to be created when switching to a new phone. This is a security measure to ensure that it is indeed you trying to access your accounts and not a malicious actor. Therefore, logging in again is necessary to verify your identity. In summary, when transferring to a new iPhone, it's important to follow the methods provided by Apple to ensure a secure transition. The security considerations involved mean that authentication state cannot be transferred automatically, hence the need to manually log into your accounts. So, if you're switching phones, be prepared to re-enter those passwords. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Who knows, maybe your comment will be the next one I have to authenticate.